Hey guys! As y'all can probably tell, it is definitely time for me to do my eyebrows. The way I do them is pretty easy and simple, takes me no more than like 15 minutes, and I'm gonna show you guys how. So if you want to see how I go from this craziness to beautiful eyebrows, keep watching! Okay, so let's get started. The only thing I'll be using for this is a white eyeliner and some tweezers. I like to use the slanted tweezers. They just work better for me. So the first thing I do is I draw the shape that I want to achieve with the white eyeliner over my eyebrows. I'm gonna use this as the outline once I start plucking. The line is pretty thick because it's covering all the hair that I need to pluck off. So pretty much anything that is inside of the line is the shape that I'm going for, and everything on the white line is gonna come off. Once that is done, I compare it against the eyebrow that is already done to make sure that the shapes are even and I can start plucking. I always start with the top because it hurts less, so here I'm just moving the hair down so that when I'm plucking, I'm focusing strictly on the ones that are on the white line. This is a good way to prevent plucking too much and ending up with crazy looking thin eyebrows. Another tip is to pluck in the direction that the hair is growing and not the other way, because this makes it hurt a lot less. When I'm completely happy with how the top looks, it's time to move to the bottom. The biggest thing with the bottom is just focusing on the arch. I literally pluck one hair at a time when it comes to the arch because I want to be as precise as possible and I don't want to make my arch look crazy. And I just continue to work my way to the middle, and even in the middle I still pluck in the direction that the hair grows in. And it's just a lot easier that way. We're almost done. I like to wipe the eyeliner off and then go over it again to get any stray hairs that I may have missed. And here's how they came out. I love doing my eyebrows myself. They're exactly how I want them. To finish it off, I take my moisturizer and I apply a little bit, putting it on my eyebrows. This part feels great and is so soothing. So that's it for how I do my eyebrows. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!